Okay, more slope. I like this problem where it says graph the line that passes through the points and then find the slope of the line. So we'll start with number 7. The points are 0, 0, and 4, 3. I don't know if we can zoom in on this anymore. No, okay. Well, 0, 0 is right here, over 0, up 0. And 4, 3 means I need to go over 4, up 3. So I'm over 4 and up 1, 2, 3. So the slope of the line that passes through that, guess who forgot his ruler? Let's use a coaster, shall we? Okay, so there's our line through those 2 points. The rise is 1, 2, 3. The run is 1, 2, 3, 4. The slope is 3/4. For the next point, it says 1, 2, and 2, 4. Okay, so 1, 2 means I go over 1, up 2. That's there. And what was it, 2, 4? Yeah, okay. So now I need to go over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's there. Not a huge gap between those 2 numbers, but here we go. All right, so the slope between those 2, again, is rise over run. 1, 2 jumps up, 1 jump over. It's 2 over 1, otherwise known as a slope of 2. And the last one, oh, you know what? I'll let you do that one. Here we go. This is worth looking at. The graph shows the amounts that you are collecting for selling calendars and boxes of greeting cards to raise money for the school band. All right, so you're collecting money for selling calendars and boxes of greeting cards. So it looks like greeting cards is this lighter one. We'll call this GC, and calendars will be there, that line. Okay. So it looks like if you sell 2 greeting cards, you make, I don't know, $12. Yeah, so the 12 is there. You sell 4 greeting cards, you get $24. Okay, it makes sense. And then for calendars, you sell 2 calendars, you get $20. 4 calendars, you get $40. Got it. Okay. Compare the steepness of the lines. What does this mean in the context of the problem? Well, really what it means is calendars is steeper than greeting cards. So you collect more money with calendars than for greeting cards. Calendars are steeper. You collect more money for calendars than cards. And sorry for smushing that into the thing, but I just want you to be able to see the problem as I write it. Find the slope of each line. Okay, so again, slope is rise over run, and maybe we should start putting our work on a separate piece of paper. The slope of each line, again, is rise over run. So here we go over to calendars. And again, that looks like a jump of 1, 2, but of course it isn't, because you're going from $60 down to 40, so that's a jump of 20. Because each jump over here is worth 10, so 2 jumps is worth 20. And then 1, 2, these jumps are worth 1 apiece, so that's 2. So the slope for calendars is 20 over 2, which simplifies to just 10. Yeah, and then it says, the problem reads, what does the slope mean in the context of the problem? It means $10 per calendar. For greeting cards, you're going from 24 down to 12. That's a distance of 12. So 12, and then from 4 to 2, that's a change of 2, 12 over 2. For greeting cards, it's 12 over 2, which is 6, which is $6 per greeting card. Find the slope of each line. Done. What does that mean in the context of the problem? Done. How much more does it cost to buy 3 calendars than 4 boxes of greeting cards? Well, 3 calendars would get you $30, and 4 boxes of greeting cards, times 3, $10 times 3 is 30. $6 per card times 4 cards is equal to $24. And the question says, how much more does it cost to buy 3 calendars than 4 boxes of greeting cards? The difference between those two, if we treat it like a subtraction problem, is $6 more. Find 2 different ways you could collect exactly $36. Exactly $36. Well, I guess 36 divided by 6 is 6, so it looks like you could get 6 greeting cards. Right, because it's $6 per card times 6 is equal to $36. Or you could do $10 per calendar times 3 is equal to 30, and then do 30 plus 1 card. Right, 1 card to get $36. So option 1 would be 6 cards. Option 2 would be 3 calendars and plus 1 card. Okay, that's slope.